Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Good morning. How you doing today? We're gonna head out of here south of town, making a left here on Central Avenue. This is also Highway 95, Arizona 95. If you keep going on this road, you'd end up in Yuma. But we're gonna go check out the BLM campground south of town here. It's about 8 miles south. It's called Roadrunner. Roadrunner is the last BLM land I'll film that's close to Quartzsite. Now also while I'm out this way, on the way back, we'll stop and I'll launch a drone and give you an aerial shot of the 4 LTVA, the long-term camp areas. Like here's 2 of them right now. To the right, it's La Posa West, and to the left, it's La Posa North. Then we're going to go out here a little farther. About 3 miles past the first set of LTVAs. Then up here to the right is Tyson Wash, LTVA. And to the left is La Posa South. And the south seems to be the most popular. A lot of people stay there. Anyway, on the way back, we'll fly the drone around those. So roughly it's about another 3 miles past the long-term campgrounds. I personally have not stayed at this one. I believe the mile marker is 99 on Highway 95 here is where you turn. It's also the main road that'll get you back into La Paz Valley, I believe, is the RV parks back there. Alrighty, here's the road. Gonna make a right, and right to our right is the Roadrunner BLM camp area. It's pretty good size. Plus you're way out. I shouldn't say way out. You're out far enough from Quartzsite that you don't hear the freeway out here. Great for stargazing if you're into that. Real dark out here. So right here's the entrance to it. Let's pull on in, and I'll stop and grab a couple pictures of the signs real quick. Then we'll keep on marching. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, Roadrunner 14-day limit camping area. There is a host here right at the entrance. Okay, let's go on in. I'm just going to drive in a little bit, turn around, and we'll go find a place to launch a drone. I shall return. Now, there's quite a few clubs that like coming out here. I know the ham radio operators love it out here. They got a big thing going that's called Quartz Fest, and that happens, I believe, in January. And you'll see nothing but a big array of antennas out here. It's huge for ham radio operators. Really cool, actually. Kind of like their own RTR, but it's all ham radios. Let that truck go by me. There's a few rigs way out. You can go out quite a ways. Really nice out here. I wouldn't mind coming out and spending a weekend or something. Alright, I'm gonna flip a U here and head back to the main road. We'll go down a ways and find a good place. I want to get that sun behind me instead of shooting it straight into the sun. In case you're wondering, I have 3 bars on my cell phone, so you do get signal out here. Pretty good, actually. And also a little bit of traffic noise during the day, but Highway 95, it kind of quiets down at night. Oh good, I see the camp host up here. I'm going to stop and talk to him a second. See what's up. See what kind of groups they get out here too. All right, I'll be back shortly. What a nice fella. Good camp host. Nice. Anyway, yeah, they have all the ham operators out here various times. Then that Quartz Fest is out here in January, and other groups. This is four-wheel heaven. I mean, there's four-wheeling everywhere. So a lot of people bring their four-wheelers out. Alrighty, this is the main road. I'm going to go down here about a half mile, find a good area to pull off, and then we'll launch a drone. Clear at the end of this road, there's RV parks and some private homes, actually, too. It's like a little community. Well, it is a little community called La Paz Valley. A lot of history out here, too. A lot goes back, over 100 years. Mining and all that stuff. Okay, this looks like a good spot. Let me pull on in, get set up, get up near. I shall return. Alright, I am in my trailer. This is a voiceover over the aerial footage. Out in the field, I record on a voice recorder. Up we go. This is a look at Roadrunner camp area. This is all BLM land. Straight ahead, that trailer, that's where the host is. There's the main road, and you can see where that truck is out there. That is Highway 95. To the right would be south, heading down towards Yuma. Straight on are the Kofa Mountains. To the left, look at that. Look how big. A lot of room to camp here. Truthfully, I didn't realize it was this big of an area till you see it from the air. A few rigs out there. And normally you can go out as far as those dirt roads. That's quite a ways. Then swinging around this way, look at the wash there. Straight on to the left-hand side, that's where those RV parks are out there. That the road does dead end. It won't continue on. It will dead end down there. Anyway, this is a really good look, aerial look at Roadrunner BLM camp area. I think we're about 8 miles south of Quartzsite, somewhere around there. 8-9 miles. And I'm flying roughly about 170 feet. I'll give you a shot of where I'm set up. Straight on down. There's the old guy. All right, get back on the road. Gotta love the drone. What a great look from the air up there. All right, this is getting back on the main road here. We're going to go back up to 95. Make a left. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stop along the highway and film the LTVA campgrounds from the air. I am not going to go into the campgrounds. We'll do that another time because all these videos are really about free camping. In the long term, they are not free. You pay to camp there. But since we're out this way, might as well take a look. Highway patrol right there on the left. Looking for speeders. It's 55 miles an hour out here, and they do enforce it. Once you get farther away from town, it's 65, but watch out. They will give you a ticket here. All right, to the right is La Posa South. To the left is Tyson Wash. These are both long-term campgrounds, and you pay to stay here. At one of them, I believe there's a sewer dump and water available. There will be thousands of RVers out here over the next couple months, especially in January. These places get packed, full. Right, I'm going to cross the road, park over by their little office, and launch a drone. Now, this is the camp area I stayed at about 3 weeks ago with the trailer and filmed all that. I liked it out here. This is nice. My friend Dan is still out here too. Dan from Montana. Alrighty, let me get parked, get the drone out, get up in the air, and we'll just do a quick look at both sides of the road, both camp areas. Alright, up we go. That's looking straight across. That is La Posa South right there. It goes way back. Even part of the road's paved. You have access to dumpsters, water, and a sewer dump. I'll get more info on that. I'll do another video about the long terms, what they have and where it's at. Right down there, there's the intersection. You got turn lanes in both directions, which you do need. The road gets busy. But there's a good look at, that's La Posa South, BLM. Okay, let's swing back around. There is Tyson Wash. This is where I stayed about 3 weeks ago with the trailer. That's their office. This goes quite a way back, up to the almost up to where those little mountains are. There's quite a few washes. You can go out those separate dirt roads there to find a camp area. Really pretty out here. And there's the old guy flying the drone. So there's a quick look at these two. We'll head down the road. We'll take a look at the other two LTVA camp areas. Okay, time to get back on the road. Alright, we'll head back down. It's about 2.5, 3 miles between these two campgrounds and the ones closer to town. Now, the ones closer to town are very popular because on the, what would it be? The La Posa North on the left-hand side, or no, excuse me, La Posa West on the left-hand side, backs right up to the Big Tent property, where the Big Tent is. You'll see it when we're flying the drone. I always get all these names mixed up. Sorry. What a beautiful day, too. Just gorgeous. Mid-70s. November's almost over. December's this, I think, Saturday. December 1st will be Saturday. Alright, I'm just going to pull off here to the side. I'll get set up alongside the road. To the right is La Posa North, and to the left is La Posa West. Okay, I'll be back. That was a big load of cotton that just went by. Alright, you're looking straight out. That is La Posa North. And that goes clear into town along Kewen Avenue. place is huge. Okay, on this side, this is La Posa West. Straight ahead is the showgrounds where those buildings are. There's Q Mountain. And that's about the edge of it, I guess, right here. You can see the dirt roads, but you can camp straight ahead. That's where all the showgrounds are. You can get really close to the big tent and actually just walk there. Tyson Wells, big tent, all of it. And same way on this side, you can walk. I mean, it's not very far at all. Anyway, and that's also right there, Highway 95. Straight ahead's Quartzsite. So there's a look. There's your LTVAs. You got to see Roadrunner. That kind of covers most of the BLM camp areas in and about Quartzsite. But there's more BLM land not too far from Quartzsite that we're going to go explore. I'm going to do this next week. And also there's some state trust land you can camp on. Now the state land, there is a fee, but the other BLM lands will be free. And we'll try to address that 25-mile rule of how far apart they are. I'm going to drive and we'll measure mileage as well. Alrighty, this is Russ. I'm going to sign off now. Hey, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button down below. I'd appreciate it. Everyone take care. Have a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon.